Alright y'all, we got a GoPro 360, so that's what we're just gonna test out today. I have no idea how the camera works, but I put it right here. Let's put it in 360 mode. And it's cold outside. It's cold all week. I really don't even want to be riding right now. I'm simply just testing out this camera. Cause I need to see what it looks like when I tuck, when I'm about to race somebody, you know, like, and when I'm hauling butt, so I can still get the right angle, you know. I want to have it there when I rip, because like I want both angles, but I don't want it getting in the way of my main front angle. We're about to cut all this, my boy. We're about to cut all this, man. Skirt. Oh, traffic is so bad, bro. I might go get on I-10 and flip a U-ey. I do want to get on the highway for a second just to see what the footage looks like. I don't even know how to tell if it's recording. Yeah, it's gonna be so cold when I get on the highway. I don't know what I'm gonna do, bro. I'm wearing like I'm wearing my gear and then a hoodie over, bro. I don't care. It's still freezing. Oh, the traffic is so bad. Feels nice when you're going this slow. It actually feels great, but when you get up to speed, it's pretty cold. I just wanted to see what an 18-wheeler split looked like with the Insta360. Not Insta360, GoPro 360. Oh, it's so cold. My hands are numb. Okay, I don't know if it's gonna be blocking the view or what. I'm cold. I'm gonna go to Hooters. Get some Hooter females. You know they got some diseases or something, bruh. Come on now. Oh, it's so cold. I might throw some of the Insta360 footage. Not Insta360! GoPro 360 footage on the video just to like see. It's gonna be vertical, I'm pretty sure, so it won't look good for a YouTube video, but for like Instagram stuff. Okay, we're coming to a complete stop. Exiting the highway. You gotta be. Oh, shit, brother. Oh my god, bro came out of nowhere. Be careful. Okay, bro's different. Alright, y'all. Oh my gosh, it's so cold, bro. I hope y'all, I don't know what I look like in this Insta360. I don't even know. I'm gonna walk around to the front. I don't know if I can like follow myself. I don't know how people do the editing where they like can follow themselves after they edit the video or whatever. Like move the camera. I really don't know. But as you can see here is the Insta360. Or not Insta360. Pro 360. Oh, he's coming to me, guys. Damn it.
Yeah, bro. Man, you don't catch that many people on CBRs no more.
What you mean?
Nobody here rides bikes, bro.
It's just cold outside.
Oh, fuck that shit. This is a pussy. Man, that's my daily. The fuck? Gorgeous.
Appreciate it.
You got anything done to it?
I bought it like a month ago, but the dude that had it before me like modded it. It's a full system, exhaust.
God, I got a 450. I'm a bitch, alright?
No, it's still.
I got a Harley 1800. So.
Hey, they're still fun.
They're fun little bikes.
Any bike is fun. I didn't even see you until you came past me. I was like, oh.
No, yeah, past you, I was like, oh, it's a friend.
Where'd you get that?
What?
Damn, you need some new tires.
Alright, man. Alright. My daily business. I'm a mechanic. I don't work on bikes. I work on cars.
Not for your own safety, you need new tires. And the roads are cold. You're tripping. How fast does it go?
140.
140? A 450 goes 140? That's pretty fucking fast for a 450. I thought it would go like.
The Gixxer 1000, it's just.
Oh yeah. Obviously, compared to
I
that.
get on this bike and I'm like, bro, I'm gonna fucking.
Compared to that, it's slow, but I didn't think this went 140. I thought this would be like the same.
New brand, CBR1000. It's not a bad brand. My brother has the Papio, the little one.
Yeah.
And he's learning how to drive bikes. Man, I mean, it's fun.
Is it reliable? You had any problems with it? No?
The only thing is though, my back brake doesn't work.
Yeah, you don't need a back brake, you just need a front brake.
But it's a nice bike. I like the headlights.
Yeah, for a daily that's perfect. Just a little. Yeah. It's definitely the best looking like 400 or 450. It looks better than the Ninja 400 and all that.
Because they look too much like scooters, bro.
Yeah, this one actually looks like a sport bike.
Bad. It doesn't sound like a 450.
If you're getting exhaust, it would sound better.
I want to get a Tamai on it.
Just put a slip on or something.
That's what it is.
Oh.
It's just a slip on.
It has one on right now?
People see me in my boots and jeans, you know, just riding. And I got my big ass.
You ain't got no gloves?
Fuck no.
You're tripping.
Dude, I work in a fucking shop.
I know, bro.
I ain't a bitch.
I know, but if you wreck, that shit gonna hurt.
I have 72 pins on my spine, a shoulder plate, and a rod that goes from my hip down to my ankle.
Oh, so you're just Terminator.
Practically.
Built different.
But I like it. It's fun. It's a fun little bike. I bet you have fun in that bitch.
Oh yeah. I'm a dumbass. I don't got no plate on it. I don't do no.
I want to get an R1.
Bro, I rode a couple R1s, bro. In my opinion, it's the most fun bike to ride. They're just not reliable.
Really?
Yeah. All right, y'all. You be safe. You got a whole nother hour, bruh. Alright, y'all. We was talking to bro for a fat minuto. It's literally nighttime. I'm pretty sure when I turned off the camera before it was daytime. Now it's nighttime. It is cold outside. Very, very cold. We're gonna end the video though. I appreciate y'all for watching. As well. But yeah, appreciate y'all for watching. See you on the next one.